The replacement of a maintenance station. Here are the steps to replace the maintenance station. First, you must turn off the printer's power supply. Next, manually move the head unit over the platen. Then, remove the station cover U and the wiring cover. After removing those covers, remove the W ink guard. Next, you will need to remove the two tubes from the CP coupler. After removing the tubes, unscrew and remove the cap assembly while turning back the PC pipe. Once complete, reverse these steps to reassemble your printer.